Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a bit of a special video as it's Gearbest's 4th birthday, and today I'm going to show you their huge sale that they've got on at the moment, and also there is a chance for you to win the fantastic VKWORLD S8, which I've recently reviewed on this channel, and one of the better smartphones I've actually used. But first, let me show you the Gearbest sale that we have on at the moment. It kicked off on March 20th, called the Party Countdown, and it will go all the way through to April 9th. That is also when the giveaway ends as well. So here we have it, the 4th anniversary for Gearbest. As you can imagine, lots and lots of devices on sale with huge amounts of percentage off. 48% off this watch. You had 30% off this, 31% off the Xiaomi Mi A1, but unfortunately that deal has ended. Plenty and plenty of other deals going on here. Birthday boxes for you, they're lucky bags. Mega vouchers, $3 off, $8 off, and $20 off of orders over $200. Also cool add-ons as well. If you buy anything over £44, you can get stuff like this for just £1.06. And the same again here, but you have to spend over £73.39 to get these for £6.19. Really cheap prices. Here we go, guys. Some smartphones, VerniX and the VerniMix 2, which I've had on my channel. VerniMix 2, £121, cheap as chips. So make sure you follow this, guys. 20th to the 26th of March, the Party Countdown, and then unbeatable prices from March 26th to April 2nd, and then April 2nd to April 9th. Gearbest gives thanks. There's also this 4th anniversary draw. Now, here are some of the game rules. Click the spin button. You each have 3 chances to spin during the whole promo period. And you can also use your Gearbest points to buy extra spins, 20 points each. Obviously, if the images match, you'll see a random prize from the category. And if you share the link to one of the channels shown, for one more free chance. Now, I'm actually logged in, so I'm going to try and play the game now. Don't give up. So this is where you can share the game link for more chances to win. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use all my spins up, see if I get anything. Oh, congratulations, you've won 8% off wide site coupon. Okay, so I've got an 8% coupon. Cool. Another spin. Don't give up. I have to share the link. But yeah, have a look at this, guys, as well. You can also win the UMI S2 Lite. That is one of the draw prizes. So first prize, you can win the S2 Lite. You've got all these other smartphones that you could win. Second prize is, look, some Android boxes, 3D printers. Third prizes, lots and lots. And here's the winners list as well at the moment. So I strongly suggest, guys, you take a look at the sales and that at the moment that are on Gearbest, and obviously enter all these competitions and use all the vouchers and stuff that you can, because there is a hell of a lot of stuff on there. Look, mega vouchers up to $20 off. There we go, look, $8 off orders over $100. Every little helps. There'll be a link in the description below if you want to take a look at some of these offers and the promotion on Gearbest. And if you want to enter the competition to win the VKWORLD S8 smartphone, here is the page. This is what it will look like. I'm entering. Well, I'm not entering it. I'm just using this as an example. You do need to authenticate it via Facebook or something, or YouTube, or any other way. Just log in, and then you'll be given these 5 tasks. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you have already subscribed, you can still go through the process and it'll register that. Visit me on Geeky Stuff on Instagram. It does say visit. It doesn't say you have to follow me or subscribe, but I'd really appreciate it if you did. Same as Facebook, it says visit, but I'd appreciate it if you did like. Also visit the Gearbest 4th anniversary sale. Just copy and paste that link in there, and follow me on Twitter. Twitter, Instagram and Facebook profiles quite a low number of followers and you know, subscribers and likes. I'd like to get that up if I could, if I can. But there's 20 days left. This will close on April 9th and is an international giveaway, and I'll notify the winners about a day after the closing date. So that's it, guys. Have a look at the Gearbest promotions. Good luck on the VKWORLD S8 giveaway. This is courtesy of Gearbest. They're giving this phone away and they'll ship it straight from Gearbest anywhere where you live. So that's it, guys. Good luck. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.